rear swing arm stand from Oxford. Just got this from Amazon for about $80. I'm using this slider stand part. Basically mark these out so I know where I'm adjusting them for the next time. I put the little arrow so I know that's sitting inside, going to be covered. This is actually the other frame stand, I guess you would call it, for the swing arm. It came with two different versions. One for the slider lift, and this is the swing arm lift. I personally like the sliders. Levels out the bike perfectly. Not level at all. The axle bolt sticking through the rear tire is actually what's fucking all this up. Again, on my Yamaha, my swing arm isn't completely straight at the bottom, so I cannot just push it more back or more forward. That is the only area that it will be level to once you go to lift it. So I prefer not even to use these. I made this easier considering I already have marks on it, so there's no screwing around. Let's lift the bike up, straighten it out, that's it. This is the real reason why I got it. No, I'm just kidding. It's to clean the chain and also to learn an Indian Larry move, so. No problems jumping up and down on it. Barely even budged. Didn't budge at all, actually.